Hello viewers, welcome to India Karma Clothing. Today I am going to show you few colorful Patiala salwars. These are very vibrant embroidered salwars, and if you want to order these salwars, you can WhatsApp us on 7022 532967 with the screenshot of the product picture. So let's start the video. Our first product is magenta colored salwar. Today I will show you only the salwar collections, the Patiala salwars. You can check the salwar. It has a very beautiful paisley embroidery, paisley kind of pattern, and ribbon work on the bottom. In Hindi it is called as poncho, pancho. These can be fit up to double XL size. I think it is now visible clearly. The embroidery will be on both sides. This is magenta color. One more pattern in magenta color I have is the second pattern is this. This is the Patiala salwar. This will fit up to triple XL size and waist size up to 46 inches. If you want to order, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp on the given number. This is the royal blue color. With the embroidery on bottom. The embroidery will come, I think, till till the knees. It will be the knees portion. It has very beautiful kutch work done on the salwar. Another one is orange color. This is bright orange color. These can be worn with long t-shirts and tops also, and it will give you a perfect fusion wear look. It can be paired with any colored or solid color or any printed color top or short kurti or kurti, long kurti with like you can wear it like a Patiala salwar with kurti. Another pattern on in orange color is this one. Embroidery will come till knees. It is on both sides. It will come with dupatta also. The dupatta is of chiffon fabric with a golden lining outline. It is this is white color. Embroidery will come till knees. Golden zari border. Dupatta. Another pattern in white color is it will also come with dupatta, the white dupatta with golden zari border. This is an off-white color. Now this is an off-white color. This is the chiffon dupatta with golden zari border. Very beautiful embroidery on the bottom. Till knees. It will come till knees. And ribbon work. This was the third pattern of white color. It is the maroon color with a dandiya pattern embroidery. The one is lady, here it is lady and here it is the gents dandiya, doing dandiya dance. These all are the ethnic patterns, salwar, which are worn all over the India. And these are very vibrant colored, soft cotton salwars, Patiala salwar. This is in red color. Another one is please subscribe our channel if you like our video and share it among your friends. This is in yellow color. If you want to order, please take the screenshot and send me on the WhatsApp.